Today we are going to make a butterfly from Play-Doh. Hi guys!
Hi.
Let's take... No, wait. First, we have to build a body. So the body, we will do with yellow. Let's take yellow and open it. Then let's see. The clay is meant to be new at first. Okay, so we are not making that big. We are just making a small butterfly. Yes, we need to make a small. So let's draw like that. Okay, so the body is ready. See, it's yellow. Now we take for the wings. Okay. I will open this time and then. So we have to make a circle, half circle shape. We don't need a lot. Now we need to do this. I love the butterfly so much. I don't know. I think we need it. Korean we said butterfly, nabi. Let's attach it. That's like a flower, but it's not a flower. Yes. It's a butterfly, not a flower. Yes. We have to secure it very, very well, or else it will fall out when butterfly making clay. But I have to secure it very well. Let's secure it very, very light and soft at first. This is so soft at first. You can touch it and try this. So next, our butterfly is almost ready. Now let's so this is a house. Hi guys! So we will make the mouth with red, so very hard. This is very hard. For the red mouth. Now we need blue. Small little dots on our eyes. I want my eyes is good. Yellow. I want my eyes. Okay, I will give you and you just put it in. I will show you how. Not these all of. Only this much and just put it in here. I want to do the give me the smaller one and I will in a stick in grass and you will do the bigger one. Now, what's missing? Can you guess? Can you guess what's missing? No. Her ears.
Ears. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we forgot that. She's not like a butterfly. Okay, so we'll use this much. She's very cute. I love her. So this is a hard thing. It couldn't see me. We are going to just fold it like this, like a candy cane, and just attach this on the top of her head. We don't have hair. No hair. No hair. Butterflies don't have hair. But this is too much. Very thin. I'm sticking very nicely so that could never go in this direction. Let's put it like a candy cane. This is too long. But this is too thin. We need a thick. So Hami has just gone for a minute. And here's our final butterfly. So we can play with this after this dries. So
Now this butterfly is ready?
yes.
Okay.
Bye guys.
Thank you for watching this
Thank
video.
you for watching this video.